this video, I'm going to show you the interface of SPSS. I'll take you through what the interfaces means and what they actually do. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our page. My name is Philemon. Alright, so normally when you open SPSS, this is how it looks like, okay? But SPSS has two main views. We have our data view here, then we have the variable view. Okay, now the data view and the variable view are the two main views that are used in the data coding and data entry, as well as the data analysis. Okay, now when you come to the data view, when it comes to the variable view, now the variable view is where you do your data coding, okay, where you enter the name of your variable, the type, the width, and all these things. Then you do the coding inside here. When you are done with the data coding inside the variable view, then you go to the data view where you do your data entry. And this is how the data view looks like. When you are done with your variable view, with your data coding inside the variable view, and you come here, you see all the names of the variables shown at the top here, okay, shown at the top here. And that is when you do your data entry with the data that you may have collected from the respondents. Then you do the entry here. So SPSS is majorly used in quantitative data. So when you are done with all the entries, then you use your analyze toolbar here, or the toolbar, to do your analysis. Okay, to do your analysis. Right, so this is how the interface of SPSS looks like. In the next video, we will show you how to do data entry in SPSS. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our pages for more excellent contents on data analysis. Bye bye.